Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I do this intro literally every single video, so you guys probably aren't surprised. Today, I get a new $400 custom keyboard and a new mouse. Hint, foreshadowing. Also, every single YouTuber does this, so I might as well do it anyways. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It would help out the algorithm a lot, and it would help me out a ton too, and I would truly appreciate it. I also created a Discord server for this server. It's called the Hippo Army, and the link will be in the description below. Please join to continue showing your support. Also, my new texture pack, the texture pack I'll be using in this video, will be coming out 100 subs. I will not take credit for it, and other information will be later on in the video. And that's it for me to say, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm back. Well, technically I'm not back, but like, you get the point. Wait, how did, oh. Oh my god, he is a thing. Well, now that I'm back, how are your guys' break? Hopefully you guys all had a good break, and you guys all enjoyed it really well. You gotta concentrate on killing this guy. Okay. He's gonna go on top, which is totally fine by me. Just going for this. Is he gonna go get my bed? If you guys want to tell me something that happened in your break, or like if you celebrate Christmas or something, if you want to tell me what you got for Christmas, I'm welcome for anyone that wants to share some information with me. And now that I'm back, I have a few things I need to say. It's not like sad, depressing news, it's just news that you guys might want to know. What I was about to say before I died like 60 million times because I can't bridge was that I got a new mouse, because the reason why was the mouse that I used to have was like a Logitech office mouse. Like, I've been using it for a long time. It's been like my main mouse for a while. But it's not like the most ideal mouse for like Bed Wars, you know, because it's not like, it doesn't double click. The shape is kind of weird. I got a new mouse because my old one kind of sucked. What the heck is this guy saying? Okay, whatever. Just ignore chat. Nothing is happening. Just ignore it. I'm gonna go get some diamond upgrades because this guy has like prot and sharp, or sharp, I don't know. But basically, I got the Glorious Model Low because it's a really good mouse. It double clicks, and I just really want to try out butterfly clicking because like it's a new clicking method, and a lot of people recommended it, like saying that it's like overpowered and stuff. So I just wanted to try it out, and the Glorious Model Low is like a really good mouse for it. If you're looking for a new mouse, or like you want to buy a new mouse, I would definitely recommend this mouse because the Glorious Model Low is just overall just really good. And if you do get the Glorious Model, I wouldn't recommend the wired one. Because first of all, like the wired one is cheaper, but the wired one isn't as like, it's not as high, the material isn't, what I've heard, like I don't actually know, but what I've heard from people is that the wired version doesn't have as much of a better material. I just won the game, so I guess we'll have to bring this on to game 2 then. So basically, as I was saying, the wireless one is it just feels a lot like stronger and more durable, while the wired one is like just a lot, it just feels cheaper in general. So that's why I got the wireless. So also the mouse has more flexibility and it's not like stuck to a cord, because that's how wired mice are. So that's why I got the wireless version. I don't know what this guy's doing, but yeah, he fell. Okay. I do butterfly click now, like a lot, because it's hard not to abuse the power that you can butterfly click and like become really OP when you have the model low. What do I do with this guy? Okay, I eliminated him. So that's basically the first update. I just got a new mouse and it's gross model low. Like, wow, it's very exciting news. Everybody will definitely want to hear about it. And I have a few more announcements, but there's a short one, like the fact that I reached the Iron Prestige. If you don't know what Iron Prestige is, it's just 100 stars in Bed Wars. I was like grinding a lot of Bed Wars, so like I'm not that surprised I reached Iron Prestige. Like, it did take me a while, but it wasn't like, it's a lot faster than normally if you would want to reach like a prestige level or something, because grinding Bed Wars is a good way to get a lot of like levels really quickly. I'm gonna take out red. Okay, so the third announcement, I gotta bridge to red though. Oh my god, this guy just tried to. I also got a new keyboard. Like, this is basically just like a whole new like setup thingy. But it wasn't like the full setup, it was just keyboard and mouse. That's why I didn't want to like say setup. Why are you here? Okay, go away please. Okay, thank you. I swear if he comes out, okay. Red is bedless. I have no idea where he is though. Which could be kind of dangerous. Okay, that's yellow. Okay, he went in the bottom. Okay, I just fireballed. No! Okay, by the way, I'll put all of my keyboard description in the description below. Just because it's a custom keyboard, so like, it's not like, give me the name, and then you have the name of it and you can just buy it. It's more like, you have to build it, and it's not like a really simple thing. Like, it takes time to like build a keyboard, you know? I'll get started telling you the description, because I'm probably not gonna. Where the heck is yellow? Yellow dead? Question mark? But yellow's fighting aqua. He doesn't. Wait, okay, yellow doesn't know I'm here. Well, this ain't even yellow base. Hold up, what? Aqua might get yellow bed. I'm actually not too sure about that. I see yellow. I'll just tell you the keyboard stuff after this game, because I don't think I'll be able to concentrate and get to you about the details that fast, if you know what I mean. I almost just killed him. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, he just destroyed my bed, which is not really good. And I don't have diamond upgrade, so, yeah, I need to get those. Okay, there's yellow. Okay, that's where yellow is. This is funny. This is real funny. I don't know what the heck he's doing. Okay. I guess that's it. So, 2 games in a row that I've won. I don't think that's ever happened before, but oh well. So this $400 custom keyboard, I tried to combine the sounds of Clicky and Thocky together. It turned out great, and I was actually really impressed. For the bass, I use a GMMK Pro White Ice version, bare bones, so that means I have to build it myself. That's the bass. I switched out the aluminum backplate with a polycarbonate backplate because polycarbonate backplates work well with clicky switches and they are more flexible. I also replaced the GMMK stabilizers with Durock V2 screw-in stabilizers. Those are one of the best stabilizers that are on sale, and the GMMK Pro stabilizers kinda do suck. I lubed the stabilizers with Krytox 205 grade 0 just to make the stabilizers sound a bit smoother. After that, I used Kailh box white clicky switches V2 for the switches because they're clicky and they've more tactility than the V1 switches. That's why I chose the V2. For the keycaps, I wanted Hippo keycaps, but they were out of stock. So I got Octopus keycaps that really matched the theme of this channel. They actually turned out a lot better than the Hippo keycaps, so I'm actually glad I chose this instead. That's it for my keyboard, and everything will be in the description below. So as you can see, I'm in the 4v4s game now because I have like literally a few things left to say. So the texture pack I'm using right now is going to be released when I hit 100 subs. Since it's a mashup texture pack, that means I stole some textures from other texture packs. I modified it from other texture packs, and some of them are custom made by me, but minimal, like not a lot, a few. Therefore, it's too risky to like just say it. Like, I took so many different texture packs that I can't even like list them out in one page, because that's how weird I am, I guess. So I just won't take credit for it. I'll like rename it and stuff because it is like a different mix and a different like profile. But I won't say like it's by me or anything. I'll just say it's my 100 sub pack. But I won't like do anything that like I won't even like make you subscribe if you want to download it. Like, that's how far I'm going. I know some of you you guys probably don't care, but some of you probably really want this pack. I don't know why. I mean, this pack is my main pack because it's really good and so it's just so good. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so good. I could die. Okay. To kill this guy first. Okay, then I'll just go the other way if you want to play like that. That was the first announcement. This pack will be released at 100 subs. Like, it's like a little achievement for my goal to 1,000 subs. So I'll just do that, like a little short achievement. I broke their bed, so that's good. Oh, and I got final too. And my goal for this year is to reach 1,000 subs for 2023. We have a whole year to do this, so I'm gonna try my best. And no matter like what happens, I will still keep up with you guys and not like give up or anything. I'm pretty sure, yeah. I told you about my keyboard already, and like that's about it. ASMR videos, yes. I will create ASMR videos once in a while just cause they're just calming and relaxing. I know a lot of people like them. And just let me know if you want like ASMR videos or anything, cause I don't want to be wasting my time. Like, based off results, I can tell that you guys really want ASMR videos because both of my only ASMR videos are both the most popular videos on my channel, so that makes a lot of sense. So I'll just create ASMR videos once in a while, and like I'll also try shorts once in a while, YouTube shorts, kind of like TikTok but just shorter. Yeah, I think that's it. So basically, to summarize it all, like just in case I didn't tell you some of it, I basically got a new mouse because my old mouse was crappy. It was a crappy office mouse. I got a new keyboard, which I'm pretty sure I did that one because all the details are in the video and the description below. I reached 100 stars or iron prestige. I just grind a lot. I told you my new goal to get 1,000 subs, and that I'll release this pack at 100 subs, and that I'll take no credit for it. It's just like a few things. There's also I talked about, like, if you guys want to tell me about your break, I would love like to hear it. Like if you want to tell me what you got for Christmas, if you celebrate it, or like just anything you want to tell me that's related to break, I'm open to it as well. Like you don't have to be scared or anything. Yeah, my break was good. I think that's about it for this video. I'll let you have a little bit of an ASMR from now because the game's almost over, so you can hear like what the Model Low sounds like and what my new keyboard sounds like. So yeah. If you guys made it this far into the video, thank you guys so much for actually watching all the way till the end. This really helps out the algorithm, so I thank you guys so much. If you did enjoy this video, please like the video and consider subscribing. It would help out a ton. And that's it for this video. So until next time, see ya.